Hey, ukulele people, gente boa de ukulele. Today I have a comparison contrast of the sound between the Enya Nova Soprano, yes, and my go-to always outside, the Outdoor Ukulele. Stickers not included. Okay, so we've got these two. Basically, I'll do a bunch of sound clips because everyone else has covered the details of the tuners and such. There's great reviews out there. I'm keeping my glasses on because I've been accused of UAS. Who turned me in? Anyway, let's hear some ukuleles. Let's start with the Enya. A little finger picking here. All right, do a little stank, and I think then something down the keyboard, and we're done. Let's try, let's see what will work. Okay, a little piece, something down the fretboard. Let's see what we got here. Whoops. Something like that. All right, compare that. Anyway, I forgot the little end to it. So, there you have it. Compare on your own, different price points, of course. And this, of course, isn't carbon, so you need to take that into consideration. They have a little more expensive carbon model that has a little more pop to it, because I played that one too. It's up to you. Have a good day, ukulele people. Até logo, gente boa.